Hello friends, welcome to our channel Haloveaa reviews, and we will be showing you the review of this air conditioner, the pros, the cons, the features, and at the end we will be also telling you about the how much unit they are consuming and what is the price of this unit. So, and the most important, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is a support for us, and it motivates us to make more and more videos. And the best thing is that we don't suggest anything because we are not paid channel, and we suggest only those things which we have tried in our life and they are success. So friends, this is from the very ground level, the truth that we are expressing you people. So please subscribe and please like. If any doubts you have, put in the comment section. You can check our all the other videos. Everywhere we had replied almost 100% to every of the viewers for any of the questions as soon as possible. So let's start initially with the what all the features are. So this is from the manual which is given with the you could say the air conditioner, and you can see they have many features like fan speed. Let's go one by one. That is the fan speed. On the left hand side there are the LEDs, then mode selection, sleep mode, swing timer, the on off button which is currently red, and turbo cool is also there which quickly cools, and it is 1.2 tons air conditioner. And the below light you can see that is the temperature which is showing in currently in the off stage. If we go for the remote quality is quite good. The plastic quality is good, and it is quite light also, and needs a double A2 batteries, sorry, triple A2 batteries. And it has the features. The temperature settings can be done through this. The swing mode is this one, and different modes or selection is this, which can be run in cool, dry, fan, energy saving is power, and 6 sense. This is the turbo feature. This is the 6 sense button. This is the sleep button. This is timer setting. You can switch off after a certain time. This is the timer cancel and clear button. And this is the fan speed from high, medium to low, and this one is your energy saving. Next thing is that plastic quality. If I see that build quality is quite good, it is quite sturdy, but you need to check the unit is still in a better condition whenever you purchase, because we had some concerns, and in that next video we will be telling you about what are the concerns which you need to take care when you're buying a new air conditioner, and I'll show you my defects of this air conditioner. Unfortunately we had bought it on urgent basis and we didn't came to know the defects, but I'll help you with that part. So the next thing we'll be going through is what are the features and what are the how you can control it, and we'll be seeing one by one all of them. So we'll be starting it with a switch it on mode, and that is done with the centralized button. And currently I had set it at 26 degrees Celsius. Now this is the switch it on and switch it off button. Now we have the you could say the setting the temperature. You can increase or decrease the temperature of your room to suit your requirement. That is through these two buttons. That's a quite simple one, as already in other air conditioners, and between 16 to 30 degrees. This mode selection button, by setting the operating mode, you can get the quality type of the cool that you require. There are 5 operating modes in your air conditioner. There are actually 5 of them. I'll show you one by one. The first one is your cool dry. As you can see, the cool. The next one is the dry. The third one is your fan energy saving, and the 6 sense. These are the buttons. Now we will be going one by one of these sections, but one of the note is that while the 6 sense energy saving can directly be switched on and off from the remote, that is the feature of the sixth sense and the energy saving, that is the E button over here, can be controlled through remote only. Now the next thing is cool mode. What does the cool mode does? This mode gives you the complete control over the cooling in your home, that is whichever room you are putting in. You can change the fan speed as well as the temperature setting to suit your needs. To change the fan speed in this mode, press the fan speed button, that is the fan speed button. You need to press any type of 3 fan speeds, that's quite simple one. Then we go to the dry mode. We will be going to the, this one is the cool mode, and then the dry mode. The dry mode is generally used for humid conditions where you will be facing lot of humidity. This mode is suitable for humid condition where moisture content is the main discomfort. This mode allows you to set the temperature as per your needs. The compressor runs deep depending on the set temperature and room temperature, while the fan motor runs on low speed to facilitate reduction of humidity level. The temperature range in this mode can be set between 16 to 30 degrees. Notice that the fan speed setting cannot be changed in this mode. You cannot change the fan setting, it will be by default in low speed. Now we'll go into the next mode is the fan. Fan mode is quite simple, that you can set it into the 3 different modes further, which is the fan speed you can set it to where there is no requirement of cooling in the room. You can still use the air conditioner as a simple fan. In this mode, the compressor is switched off, only the fan is switched on. You can select 3 fan speed as per your requirement. This way filter pure air is circulated throughout the room. There is no temperature display on this mode, so you can see that there is no temperature display on this. Now we will be switching on to the next mode, that is the energy saver mode. This function settings allow you to minimize energy consumption, hence reducing the running cost. This gives you the right balance between comfort and economy. When the room temperature reaches 2 degrees below the set temperature, the compressor stops and the fan keeps running, and the compressor restarts after the room temperature rises 2 degrees above the set temperature. So as to give the right balance between comfort and power. Note, fan speed and temperature setting cannot be altered in this function. 25 degrees Celsius is default temperature setting in this mode. In the the final mode is the sixth sense mode, that is this one. In this mode, the air conditioner automatically senses the surrounding temperature and adjusts the fan speed to maximize your comfort. The fan speed changes from high to medium to low as your room gets cooler. The fan speed setting is automatic. You can change the set temperature by moving the temperature button up and down. Note, fan speed setting cannot be changed in this mode. The temperature range is 16 to 30 degrees. These are the features of which are the modes which can work on this. Now let's go to the next section, which is of turbo mode. The turbo mode functions can be enabled through the button called as the turbo on your screen. On the remote, it is on the right hand side. The turbo button directly sets the temperature to 16 degree, and you can see over here that it is showing turbo. What does the turbo function does? This function allows you to cool down the temperature of your room instantly. Press the turbo button on your remote or air condition control panel and the turbo indicator comes on, that is as I am showing you. Turbo function remains active for 30 minutes, after which it switches over to previous mode of operation. That is, by default it will put into 16 degrees Celsius and 30 minutes it will go off. The default set temperature for this function is 16 degrees. In case you want to cancel the function before the stipulated 30 minutes, press the same button again and press the mode or the power saver button. In case I don't want it, I'll just press the turbo button again and it will go off. Now the next function is the fan speed. Fan speed can be controlled. You could say there is as usual there are 3 speeds. The fan speed in your air conditioner comes with 3 options. By pressing the fan speed,
Fan speed is at the bottom of this remote. You can see over here there are three options for fan speed: high, medium, low, medium and high. Now let's go to the air swing on off mode button. This button is on your left hand side of the remote, that is this one, and you can see a display orange is shown over here. Sometimes you may wish to concentrate the cooling of your air conditioner to one particular area, while sometimes you wish to spread the cooling over a wider area. You can do this with the help of the swing button. This indicator on the control panel will tell you whether the air swing is on and off. When switched on, system automatically vertically lower swing action is activated. The vertical lower swing from right to left and back. That is how this one is happening. From left to right it is working. Okay, now let's go to the next mode, and that is the sleep mode. Sleep mode is over here, as you can see. Sleep mode button is at the bottom of this remote. Let's enable that sleep mode and see what happens. What is the function of the sleep mode? As the night progresses, the temperature drops gradually. Therefore, the room can become uncomfortably and cool at night. The special sleep function monitors the temperature and helps maintain the optimum environment for a good night's sleep. The set temperature increases 1 degree after every hour for the first 2 hours and then maintain it at that level. Sleep mode can be cancelled by pressing the sleep button again. Sleep mode duration is 8 hours and after that AC will stop. This function can be operated in 6 sense cool, turbo, energy saver modes. That is the function, and this is the common function of on off. And it doesn't immediately switch off once you press the off button. It takes sometimes around 10 to 15 seconds to get the switch off button once you press. Now these are the features of what is there in the remote and what are the features of this. Now we will be going into more how to use your Whirlpool Magic Pool. We will be comparing few things about it. So let's continue with it.
This is the normal consumption of our current home, and with the fridge and other things. So once we switch on the turbo mode, then you can understand how much it is taking. Friends, you can see it now changed to 9.55, so approximately 6 to 7 units it's consuming in the turbo mode. That is actually in air conditioner, it is not traditional air conditioner, not the inverter AC. It is either in the switch on mode or switch off mode. So once the air conditioner reaches the desired temperature, it stops the compressor, and so it finally comes to a stop state and then again on state. There is no intermediate state. That's why you can see the direct unit is 9.55. Now only the difference is that how long you are running the air conditioner, that will depend how much you are consuming the bill. So currently you can see approximately 7 rupees per hour or $0.1 per hour is the running cost of it. So friends, now we will come into the power section and the stabilizer section, and then we will come into the price section. So let's discuss about the power section. The star rating which is there of 2019 model is around 5 star, and the power consumption, as it's a window AC, so it will be using a little bit more power. So you could say the power consumption which is there is ISEER rating is 3.46. So approximately it will be consuming 882 units which they had rated per year. And the advantage which I felt with this air conditioner, the pros is that my room size is around 13 feet by 12 feet, and that's a quite big room, but the 1.2 ton AC is doing quite well, and I didn't face any concerns at the temperature of 36 approximately. and I was running it at 25 degrees, and still it was quite comfortable. Now I didn't went for 1.5 ton. The reason behind is that the 1.5 ton AC, the power consumption which you will be seeing over here is around 1100 to or 1200 plus, or it could be even goes to 1300 in some if you go for 3-star air conditioner, and I had seen it is even rating 300 and 1350. The best advantage is that it's a 5-star rating and power consumption at 882 units, and generally when I'm using it is for around 10 hours. So my electricity bill is hardly you could say for a day is around 90 to 80 90 rupees per max to max. And then we'll be talking about the next thing is that stabilizer. I'm using this stabilizer VGuard 400 VG 400. It's a 1.5 suitable up to 1.5 ton stabilizer, and the cost is around 2500 MRP. And it's a quite good one because generally I opt for VGuard stabilizers. They are more as per my understanding, they are more stable, and they have a longer life. And this one comes with a standard 3 years warranty over here they have mentioned, and the working range is from 170 AC to 270 volts. And this stabilizer is a quite good one, and it's quite light. And we had put the wires of the air conditioner to the stabilizer lower unit, and from there to stabilizer, and it goes outside to the main unit. Now let's show what is the power consumption when you switch it on the AC, and what is the once you put it in the 16 degree and once you put it at 25 degrees, you can understand a rough figure of how much power consumption is doing. So let's go to the meter and see what is happening. So finally friends, now the last thing which is we promised is now the price. The price of this entire unit, including the stabilizer, the air conditioner, everything, is approximately, it will be costing you around 27,500 approximately. And if you go for the installation, the company guys will come, and then first time installation is very less, and or sometimes they even provide a free, depending on which vendor you are buying. This is from Whirlpool, so I haven't installed until it because of the lockdown. Next thing is that the unit itself is costing around 25,000, and the stabilizer over there is costing around 2,400. So the both the cost is will be approximately 27,500 approximately, including the plug. You won't receive any plug with the air conditioner, but you need to buy one plug with the stabilizer to connect to the mains. It uses a 16 ampere socket, so you need to connect to the power socket. That's all friends from my side, and I request everyone, please subscribe my video. Thank you.